Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to unbox another book from the Siege of Terra series. So this is a Warhammer 30,000. So Horus Heresy is ending or coming to a conclusion, and this is not the next book in line, but a in-between book or a novella. So Black Library. Okay, so we have given that this is not the next book, it comes also in the same, should I say, execution or same finish, same binding, with this nice metal logo. It looks like the moon, of course. The size should be around 1.5 thirds of the standard series. So this is the Sons of Selenar by Graham McNeil, and let's open it up. So we have a nice picture. Signed, limited to 2,500 pieces. This is again the same art. Standard, all the books in the series, so 54, and then novellas and audio dramas. And here we have the cast, or the main ensemble of characters. Garuda is the eagle construct, so this was Garuda here, if you see the picture. Yeah. And here's the prologue with a nice graphic design. And then we have the novella itself with all the chapters, nicely gilded page edges right there, and this will set you back 177 pages. No, 184, 85, 185, and then the art again. So this time we are getting no maps or graphics, just the few character renderings and the novella itself. But I'm looking forward to see the next book, and if I am able, and if I am lucky, then I will buy one and share it with you here on my channel. Sadly, the book 3 I could not buy because it was sold out really fast, and they should I say, Games Workshop did release it with the Sisters of Battle box set release. So yeah, plus I was on the uh, I was traveling home, so it was real problematic to buy that one. But yeah, okay. So thanks for watching. This was the unboxing of the Horus Heresy Siege of Terra, a novella, Sons of Selenar by Graham McNeil. Thanks for watching and wish you a nice day.